How do debit and credit cards differ for immigrants? Imagine walking into a bank for the first time in a new country. You might wonder what kind of card you should get to manage your money. Well, understanding the difference between debit and credit cards can make a big difference in your financial journey. A debit card is connected directly to your checking or savings account at the bank. When you use it, money is taken out immediately from your account. You can only spend what you have saved or deposited. For immigrants, debit cards are usually easier to get because opening a bank account is often simpler than applying for a credit card. They are great for everyday purchases like groceries, transportation, or paying bills. Using a debit card helps you stay within your budget because you cannot spend more than what is in your account. But keep in mind, using a debit card does not help build your credit history. Without a credit history, it can be harder to qualify for loans or rent an apartment later on. On the other hand, a credit card allows you to borrow money from the bank up to a certain limit. You can make purchases now and pay the money back later. If you pay your credit card bill in full each month, you avoid paying interest. Responsible use of a credit card helps you build a credit history and a credit score, which are important for many financial activities in the United States. For new immigrants, getting a credit card can be a bit more challenging. Many banks requiring a social security number, proof of income, or some credit history. If you do not have these, you might consider a secured credit card. This type of card requires a deposit that acts as your credit limit. For example, if you deposit $100, your credit limit will be $100. Secured credit cards are a good way to start building credit gradually. You can also become an authorized user on someone else's credit card, which can help you build your credit history. For practical purposes, think of it this way. Debit cards give you quick access to your money and are easier to get after opening a bank account. They are perfect for daily spending and managing Visa expenses. Credit cards are more difficult to obtain at first but are essential for building a credit history. Having a good credit score can help you get better loan rates, rent a home, or even qualify for certain jobs. Prepaid cards are another option. They work like a gift card where you load money onto the card. However, prepaid cards do not help build your credit. They often have fees for activation, monthly maintenance, or transactions, so they are less ideal for long-term financial growth. In summary, as an immigrant, starting with a debit card is a smart move for managing your daily expenses. Over time, working toward a secured credit card can help you build your credit history. This will open doors to more financial opportunities and help you establish a strong financial foundation in your new country.